Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school diary. First, personalize your diary by writing your name and contact details on the inside cover. Take a moment to understand its layout, noting the daily, weekly, and monthly sections. Gather essential tools like a few colored pens, highlighters, and some small sticky notes. This initial setup ensures your diary is ready to become your most reliable organizational tool for academic success. Next, integrate your diary into your daily routine. Immediately record all assignments, project deadlines, and important school events as soon as you receive them. For larger tasks, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps, assigning each a specific due date. Allocate dedicated time slots for studying each subject, perhaps 30 to 45 minutes per session, ensuring you cover all your academic responsibilities effectively. For long-term planning, utilize the monthly views to track major projects, upcoming exams, and school holidays. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps every Sunday evening for 15 minutes, to check your progress and adjust your plans as needed. Keep a dedicated section at the back for important notes, future ideas, or contact information, ensuring all your academic information is in one convenient place. To maximize your diary's effectiveness, try color-coding entries for different subjects or task types, making it visually easy to scan. Always carry your diary with you to ensure you can update it consistently throughout the day. Make it a habit to check your diary at least twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, to stay on top of your schedule and responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.